वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमानायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. You can repeat. Ayvun Riluk Eong Ouch Hayavarat Lan Nyamangananam Jabhai Gadadash Jabagadash Khapa Chatata Chatato Kapai Shashasar Hal Can repeat. Okay. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha Hari Hari Harayaha
Hariyaha
Guru Guru Guravaha
Guravaha
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha
Pitarau
Karta Kartarau Kartaraha
Kartaraha
Yesha Eto Ete Ayam Imau Ime Sahataute Kahauke Then Rama Rame Ramaha Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha Matihi Matihi Matayaha Dhenu Dhenu Dhenavaha Vaduhu Vadvau Vadvaha Esha Ete Etaha इयम् इमे इमाः
इयम्
इमाः
सा ते ताः
सा ते ताः
एकाः
साकेकाः
फलं फले फलानि
फलं फले फलानि
एतत् एते एतानि
एतत्
एतानि
इदम् इमे इमानि
इमे इमानि
तत् ते तानि
तत्
ते तानि
एतानि
किम् एकानि
Can you all hear my voice?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji, but not clear, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
What do you say? I didn't get you. Here or
There's
not?
a bit of muffling there.
Not my voice or your voice?
Your voice, Guruji. There's a bit of muffle there.
I'm not able to hear your chanting properly. There's some noise.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Anyway. You can repeat. Akarantaha pullingaha ramashabdaha
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha
रामो रामाः
Ramam Ramo Raman
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 Ramena Ramayam Ramaihi
रामाभ्यां रामैः
Ramaya Ramayam Ramebhyaha
Ramaya
रामाभ्यां
Ramata Ramayam Ramebhyaha
रामेभ्यः
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu
रामयोः रामेषु
He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha
He Rama
The same way you can try other shabdas, other akaranta pullinga shabda. I think I gave you this as your homework. You try Krishna, Bala, Vriksha, Kupa, any akaranta shabda. You can take, try the same way. Okay, this is to be memorized. This Rama shabda is to be memorized. Two things. That's what we chanted in the beginning. Ayun Riluk iti Maheshwara Sutras. Then the second one is Rama Shabda. This, after some class, we should be able to rest. Then, of course, we chanted all the Bhakti of the different Shabdas of different lingas. That also we must know. All this should be available for us. So, when we required, we should be able to recollect. So, available with you. Okay, then. Hope this we are doing, and this I gave you as homework. I hope you would have done this. So that is from where we have to start. I think this is close.
51 Guruji.
51. Okay, we will come to this later. We'll come to this later. And give this homework, you can try. Now, the next one, you can mute your mic, and when I record, I will tell you, you can unmute. Now, you can understand that in words for speaking. Mama, Mama means my. Mama is my. Mama nama, my name. The word nama is a Napumsakalinga, but it is not Akaranta Pullinga, not like Palashabda, Palam Pale Palani. Therefore, Namam Name Namani, not like that. It is Nakaranta. Naman is a Pratipadikam. We will see that later, don't worry about it. Naman is a Pratipadikam, and Nama is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. That is why we, last class we studied Mama Nama, Bhavataha Nama, Bhavatyaha Nama. Nama is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Naman Pratipadikam. Declension will be different. Okay. We have seen only a few Shabda. Only few Shabda, that too only the Shabdas ending with vowels. Shabda ending with consonants are there. We have to see. A long way to go. Don't worry. Just this much you know. Nama is neutralitam. Napumsakalinga. Pratama vibhakti ekavachana. So, Mama is my, Nama is name. Mama Nama. Whatever your name. Mama Nama. Tava means your. You want to ask somebody's name? Tava Nama. Kim. Kim always you can add. Kim what? What is your name? Mama Nama. So and so. Tava Nama. Tava, the word, can be used. Can be used when you are talking to a person either of the same, the age or same qualification or same status. Tava. Same status. If it is senior, if it is your senior, the elder, the teacher, then Bhavataha or Bhavatyaha, depending on the gender. Bhavataha, Pullinga, Bhavatyaha, Strilinga. Bhavataha means your, Bhavatyaha also means your only. But the genders are different. Tava is for all the genders. Tava is for all the genders. Now, let me ask this question. My is me, I. Tava is your, you. What Purusha is this I and this you? What Purusha is that?
Depends, Guruji. Pullinga, Strilinga. It depends upon the
No.
person.
It's like first person.
Depends on the person. How do you refer yourself?
Strilingam.
No. How do you refer yourself?
First
I
person.
ask your
First
name.
person.
What is your name? I only will say.
I.
Even I
Yes.
will say I. Everybody will say I only. Does it have a linga? No.
No.
It has a linga at the same time. It is this, the forms will be same for all the lingas, not like the other shabdas. The other shabda depending on what it refers to, and depending on the word. The other shabdas, the gender of other shabdas depends on the word. Okay, Rama is a pullinga. Rama is a strilinga. Mitra is a napumsakalinga. The word as gender, right? When I say I, referring to me, or when you say I, referring to you, I'm a pullinga, taking the meaning of what it means. Okay, pullinga, and you are saying strilinga, and napumsakalinga also somebody can say I. So I can be used for all the lingas. The forms are same for all the genders. Clear? The forms are same for all the genders. Whether it is pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga, whatever may be, that person will refer to himself by I. So I is Uttama Purusha. I is Uttam. For Uttama Purusha, there is only one Shabda. That is I Shabda. We will see what I Sanskritam later. Don't worry about it now. I'm just saying only one Shabda. What about Madhyama Purusha? That is you. How many yous possible? How many genders of you, if I can say?
3.
Again, only one.
All three.
You can refer to me, you, meaning me. Pullinga. I can refer to you by the word you, Strilinga. I can refer to something which is Napumsakalinga by you. The word you is Madhyama Purusha. Again, for all the lingas, the forms are same. For all the lingas, the word is you only. For Uttama Purusha, the word is I. For Madhyama Purusha, the word is you. And the forms, that is the Shabda, the declension of the Shabda in all its cases and vibhaktis will be same. Will be same. I say mama, you also say mama, right? You say something differently.
No.
As a Pullinga, I said mama nama sharanaha. You also will say mama nama shutihi. So mama is common. It means what? The word mama, what gender is that? When I say it is masculine, when you say it is feminine, the forms are same. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, I
Yes.
can ask you, Tava nama kim? You can ask me, Tava nama kim? The word Tava is used by you as well as by me. The form is same. When you use Tava, you are referring to a Pullinga. When I use Tava, I refer to a Strilinga. The word Tava meaning you, the form is same for all the genders. Clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Therefore, for Pratama Purusha only, there are many Shabdas. Rama, is it you or me? Somebody else. Pratama Purusha means third person in English. Rama is there, Krishna is there, Lata is there, Rama is there, Parvata is there, Vriksha is there, Pustakam is there, Sanganaka is there. So many things are there. All these are Pratama Purusha. And therefore, Pratama Purusha, so many Shabdas of different genders are there. Therefore, different Shabdas ending with the vowels and the consonants, we need to know the Shabda and the declensions. For example, we saw Rama Shabda now. Rama is only one Shabda we saw. Akaranta, Pullinga, Rama Shabda. Similarly, Ikaranta, Hari Shabda is there, Guru Shabda is there. For every Anta, for every ending, and for every gender, Shabdas are there. All these are Pratama Purusha. It is neither you nor me. Whereas, if it is you, there is only one Shabda. Tvam means you. Yuvam, you too. Yuyam, you all. Only one. Pratama Vibhakti will be only one form. So, you, for you, we have got only one Shabda. Similarly, for I also only one Shabda. Aham, Avam, Vayam, Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Tvam means you. Yuvam means you too. Yuyam means you all. Bhagavachana. Similarly, Aham means I. Ava means we too. Vayam means we all. So only one Shabda for Uttama Purusha and only one Shabda for Madhyama Purusha. Thank God, only one Purusha, no problem. Otherwise, how many Shabdas will be there? For Pratama Purusha, everything comes under Pratama Purusha. So anything you refer to, other than you and me, all are Pratama Purusha. That is why Pratama Purusha is neither you nor I. That is called Pratama Purusha. If it is you, it is Madhyama Purusha. Only one Shabda is there. We need to know only one Shabda. That is one Shabda, all cases on all vibhaktis. We will see what it is later. Don't worry about it now. Just telling you what it is. Similarly, I, that is Uttama Purusha, only one is there. So when I say Aham means Aham Sharanaha, I am Sharan. Mama Nama Sharanaha. So I use the word Aham and Mama. The same thing you also will use. Aham Girija, Mama Nama Girija. Same. So I use Aham Mama, you also use Aham Mama. But when we talk about Rama, we have to say Rama is what gender? Or Ramasya. Ramasya Pita Dasharataha. Something like that, Ramasya. Rama, if it is Rama user, then Rama means we have to see. Rama's father is Sita. Sita's father is Janaka. Ramayaha Pita Janaka iti. So depending on the gender, the forms, depending on the gender, we will have different shabdas. All these come under Pratama Purusha. So that much you understand now. Okay. So for Pratama Purusha, there are many shabdas. and of different genders. For Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha, only one Shabda is there. So therefore, what is given here, this Mama, Tava, all these are, Mama is Prathama Purusha, that referring to me, sorry, Uttama Purusha referring to me, and Tava referring to you, that is Madhyama Purusha. Therefore, Mama, Tava Nama Kim, Mama Nama, so and so, you can say. Right? Fine. Now, the next one. And Bhavataha Bhavatyaha, that is also Bhavataha Bhavatyaha, because the Linga Veda is there, the difference is there, therefore, there is a separate Shabda. There is a separate Shabda. We will see what it is later. Don't worry about it now. Just know the forms and the meaning. Bhavataha, the masculine word, meaning your. Bhavatyaha meaning your. Strilinga. So now you can just see Mama, Tava, Bhavataha, and Bhavatyaha. All these words referring to that which the person has. The person owns or possesses, right? Mama Griham, my house. Mama Shariram, my body. That clearly shows I am different from Shariram. I am different from the body. Body is not me. Even the expression my body, Mama Shariram, that itself shows body is not me. The Vedanta is that Aham na Shariram. Aham Shariram you don't say. Mama Shariram only you say. Because Shariram is something you possess. Therefore, Mama means my. Do you ever say Aham Shariram? I am this I am body? No. So body is something you possess. Like you possess, you have a car, you own a car, you own a house, you own a computer. Similarly, you own this body, something what you possess. So all these words refer to that which you possess, you owns. Mama, my, that is something you own. What is that? Shariram, Mama Shariram. Mama Shariram asti. Mama Pustakam asti. Mama Duravani asti. Mama Sanganakam asti. Mama Upanetram asti. Iti, you can say. Similarly, Tava. Tava is your. Tava Shariram, your body. Tava Pustakam, your book. So book belongs to you. You possess the book. You owns the book. Therefore, Tava. Similarly, Bhavataha. Bhavataha Shariram. Bhavataha Pustakam. Bhavatyaha Pustakam. Bhavatyaha Sanganakam. Then what about Nama? Mama Nama. Tava Nama. Bhavataha Nama. Bhavatyaha Nama. Nama is also what you possess. Nama is also what you possess, like you possess the things of the world. Nama is also a possession. So that itself clearly shows that Nama is not you. You are different from even the Nama. Just saying Vedanta. Vedanta is the... So even in the expression, Mama Nama, when you say, Nama is something what I possess, what I own, sir. It is not me. Then, so what I want to say is that what you possess is referred by these words. Mama, Tava, Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha. All these are sixth cases. Shashti, Vibhakti. Sixth case. So now you can understand what is sixth case. Sixth case refers to that what the person has. The person owns up. The owning up, what he owns up could be an object, a physical object, or it could be a mental object, or it could be a person also. You can say Mama Bharya, my wife, Mama Putraha, my son, Bhavatyaha, Bhagini, your sister. All this relationship also you possess. It means all these things are gained after you after you take birth. It is not your. It's you all the time. When you come to the world, you gain this. When you leave the world, you leave this. So it is all gained here only. So therefore, after you gain here and therefore you establish a relationship. That is what it is. A relationship is denoted by the Shashti Vibhakti. You can note a relationship is denoted by the Shashti Vibhakti. The relationship or what you possess. Your possession is also a relationship only. My name, when you say, the name is related to you. Your name, even in English, we say your name, my name, yours. So that it is possessed by you. It belongs to you. It's related to you. Therefore, Shashti Vibhakti, you can see Ramasya Ramayoga Ramana. So Ramasya is Shashti Vibhakti. Ramayoga Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Rama Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. So I'm introducing Shashti Vibhakti now. So far we have been saying only Prathama Vibhakti. Now I'm introducing Shashti Vibhakti. For Rama Shabda, Shashti Vibhakti is Ramasya Ramayoga Ramana. For Krishna Shabda, it will be Krishnasya Krishnayoga Krishnana. For Vriksha Shabda, it is Vrikshasya Vrikshayoga Vrikshana. Right? So now, Ramasya Putraha. Ramasya Putraha. The son of Rama. Dasharathasya Putraha. Son of Dasharatha. Dasharatha is a Pratipadika. And Shashti Vibhakti will be Dasharathasya, Dasharatayoho, Dasharatanam. So, Dasharatha is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, therefore Dasharathasya. Similarly, for Madhyama Purusha, we have got Shabda is. And for that Shabda form, Shashti Vibhakti will be Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachan will be Tava. So, Tava will be there. That is why we ask Tava Namakim. Okay. If it is Uttama Purusha,
Yeah.
Some Shapam.
Yeah.
I guess she didn't understand something, the peacock. So she's trying to verify it.
Love it. Just love it. No, the other day he put up a photograph saying that he came demanding for food.
Yeah.
So maybe breakfast time for him.
So what is